Once you have opened a robot in iiQWorks.Sim, there are two ways on how to configure the base data. The first option is to navigate to the Home tab and then select the Devices section, on the lower left side, next to the eCatalog and Cell Graph selection. Navigate to your wanted controller and robot. It should be selected if you clicked on it beforehand. Under the tree of the controller, after the Tool Management, you will find the Base Management. Once you click on Base Management, the corresponding Properties window will open on the right side of iiQWorks.Sim. In the general settings of the base management, you can select the maximal amount of base data slots by typing in a number. The default is 32, but I will type in 64. You can now add a new base with the plus button in the overview of Use Tools. A pop-up window will appear letting you select the wanted base data slot. Select the desired base number. In my case, I will select the number 1. In the newly opened Base Properties window, you can change the name of the base, for example, my first base. In addition to that, you can change the tool type. If you want a reference frame for robot positions, select Base. For an external TCP, select the option, External Tool. Enter the coordinates of your base data in the world, parent or object view. X, Y, Z is for translational transformation in millimeters. A, B, C is for rotational transformation in degrees. You can enter relative values, like +200. You can drag and drop the coordinate system with the arrows, planes, or with the pink circle. With Snap, you can snap the base to a specific location in the simulation. The node will allow you to attach the base to a specific object in the simulation. You can use the drop-down list or select the object in the 3D simulation with the yellow cube. Once you now move the object in the 3D world, the base will move with it. Now that we have configured our new tool, you will find it in the Devices tree of the robot under the Base Management section. Another way to add a new base data is by right-clicking on the Base Management and selecting the plus Add New Base. Again, the pop-up window will appear letting you select the wanted base data slot. I will now select the slot number 10. From here on, you can configure your next tool. I will call it my second base. And again, you can position the coordinate system of the base in the 3D environment. Another option to do the base configuration from is in the Program tab of the robot. Make sure to reset your simulation before continuing. Once you are in the Program tab, click on the jog window in the lower right corner. In the drop-down menu of the base selection, you can choose the base that you want to teach your points with. To configure a new base, we are going to select Base Data 2. Once it is selected, you can click on the little gear on the right side of the drop-down menu. In a new Tool Properties window, you will need to click on the button, Add Base. Then again, you will find yourself in the same base properties as we saw before, where you can change the name, transformation, and node of the currently selected base data. Once you go back to the Home tab in the Devices section, you will now also find the last added base data that you can also adapt from here.
Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe the KUKA channel for more content. For practical training and workshops, visit the KUKA College. Stay tuned for more tutorials and insights.
Making automation easier.